Hey, everybody. If you think insurance renewals are just a routine part of your business, you need to think again. Getting this wrong could cost you big, not just in money, but in coverage gaps. They could leave your business and your employees exposed. So, today I'm going to show you 4 essential things you should do to truly understand the renewal process. Stick around as I turn the potentially mundane and probably hated task of insurance renewals into an advantage for your business. Before we dive into a few of the strategies, let's first clarify what we mean by proactive versus reactive. A reactive approach might seem easier in the short term, but waiting until the last minute can lead to rushed decisions and not always on the best terms. Being proactive means you're ahead of the game. You are evaluating options and making decisions that are best suited for your business needs. So, what is an example of being reactive? Here in the state of Texas, insurance companies are required to give you the renewal no less than 60 days prior to your renewal effective date. So, what does that mean? If you have an effective date of January 1st, the insurance company, your broker, and you should have your insurance renewal rates, but that doesn't mean the process should begin then. Starting at that date only shortens your decision making process cycle. It may often leave you feeling stressed and frustrated. In fact, it may be how you feel about your renewal process already. But it doesn't have to be that way. Why you want to be proactive? Let's take a look. Lower stress, potentially lower cost, better coverage alignment with your business, and no last minute panic. This would give you more opportunity to implement changes if it's necessary, or implement newer communication strategies that you've always wanted to do to begin with. I'll walk you through how a proactive approach generally smooths out that process, but can actually be a growth lever for your company. Here are a few shifts that you can make. One, calendar and communication alerts. This one may seem a little silly, but schedule reminders or have scheduled calls or meetings ahead of time. They're well ahead of the renewal dates. This lets you know when the important dates are coming up and what communication is going to be discussed. Review business changes annually. Did you add more employees? Did your revenue grow? What are other major impacts that affected your business? By answering these questions, you can determine if you need to make any changes to your current plan. Engage with your broker throughout the year and early before renewal. Side note, if you don't like your broker or are unhappy with the current process they're providing you, waiting until renewal is probably the worst time to make a change. The reality is, every broker can get the exact same plans with the exact same rates from the exact same big four carriers. By engaging early, you can build a strategy that's more than just a rinse and repeat every 12 months. You can create a strategy for 1 year, but build that towards a 2 or 3 year bigger picture, or even a 5 year target of what you're looking for on your health plan, what you want to look like. The last point is analyze the coverage annually, but make sure it's in line with the overall objective. Utilize the right tools can streamline the entire process. Invest in a management system that track your policies, automate them, or pre-schedule renewal conversations. Document claims history. If you are part of a level or a self-funded plan, you'll have access to claims information. Some may be more transparent than others, but that's a conversation for a different day. If you are fully insured in the state of Texas, you can request what's called House Bill 2015 or HB 2015. This bill requires insurance carriers to give you claims data when requested. The systems are invaluable to keeping your insurance organized and proactive. Implementing even small proactive changes can transform your approach altogether, from just another administrative hate that you have to a critical part of your business. It's about protection, cost saving, cost containment, ROI, but ultimately peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Hope have your own tips or questions about navigating insurance renewals, or just want to learn how you can take a more proactive approach? Drop some ideas in the comments or send me a DM. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.